I know learning French can feel confusing, especially when you're preparing for a difficult exam like TEF Canada. And with so many resources around you, it's really hard to know what truly matters. But that's why this channel exists. So, hi, welcome to my channel, and here we learn French in a clear, structured, and practical way, focusing on pronunciation, understanding, and real exam relevance. This is a space where we grow step by step, build confidence, and prepare smartly, not randomly. So, if your goal is long term progress in French and success in TEF Canada or any other French exam, you are in the right place. Aujourd'hui, let's work on seasons in French. So, now let's learn what is weather and the seasons called in French. The weather is le temps. Le temps. Then the season is la saison. La saison. The seasons would be les saisons. Les saisons. Pronunciation will stay the same, we just add another S at the end. Le temps, la saison, les saisons. I hope that's clear. Let's move forward. So spring. Spring season is called le printemps. Le printemps. And then we have summer. It's l'été. L'été. Then we have autumn. It would be l'automne. L'automne. And the fourth one is winter. It's l'hiver. L'hiver. Yes, you did it. So one quick tip here is seasons. The word season is feminine, whereas the seasons itself, like spring, summer, autumn, and winter, they're all masculine. I just want you to make a note here, it's very important. Season, the word itself is feminine. All four seasons are masculine. Perfect. So let's just repeat them together and then we can go over the next step. So, the weather is le temps. The season is la saison. The seasons, les saisons. Spring, le printemps. Summer, l'été. Autumn, l'automne. Winter, l'hiver. Perfect. So next question arises. The most common question related to this topic would be, what's the weather like? What is the weather like? So it would be, quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? In answer, it could be various answers. It's nice, it's bad, it's windy, it's cloudy, it's snowing. So let's learn all of them together. It's nice. Il fait bon. Il fait bon. It's bad. Il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. It's cold. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. It's cool. Il fait frais. Il fait frais. It's hot or warm. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. It's beautiful. Il fait beau. I know this word here, beau, is used for handsome as well. But in terms of telling weather, it would be beau as well for beautiful. Okay, next one is it's mild or soft. When we would just want to say the weather is mild, we will say il fait doux. Il fait doux. It's sunny. Il fait du soleil. Il fait du soleil. Next one is it's windy. Il fait du vent. Il fait du vent. Next one, it's cloudy. Il fait nuage. Il fait nuage. Then it's foggy. It's foggy is il fait de brouillard. We don't pronounce double L here, so it would be il fait de brouillard. Il fait de brouillard. Okay, then we have it's snowing. Il neige. Il neige. Last one is raining. Il pleut. Il pleut. Perfect. Let's repeat them all together. The question, quel temps fait-il? It's nice. Il fait bon. It's bad. Il fait mauvais. It's cold. Il fait froid. It's cool. Il fait frais. It's hot. Il fait chaud. It's beautiful. Il fait beau. It's mild. Il fait doux. It's sunny. Il fait du soleil. It's windy. Il fait du vent. It's cloudy. Il fait nuageux. It's foggy. Il fait du brouillard. It's snowing. Il neige. It's raining. Il pleut. So in the comments, I want you to write answer to this question. Quel temps fait-il? So wherever you are and whatever time it is, answer this question in the comment box. Quel temps fait-il? So let's do a final revision. Let's go back and try to pronounce everything we just learned, because practice will always help you. So let's go back again and try to pronounce everything together. The weather, le temps, le temps. The season, la saison. The seasons, plural, les saisons. Spring, le printemps. The summer, l'été. the autumn, l'automne, the winter, l'hiver. Then the question arises, quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? In answer, we have different ways that we can answer this question. So it would be, it's nice, il fait bon. It's bad, il fait mauvais. It's cold, il fait froid. It's cool, il fait frais. It's hot or it's warm, il fait chaud. It's beautiful, il fait beau. It's mild, il fait doux. It's sunny, il fait du soleil. It's windy, il fait du vent. It's cloudy, il fait nuage. It's foggy, il fait du brouillard. It's snowing, il neige. It's raining, il pleut. So comment below whatever the weather you are in. Quel temps fait-il? So that was seasons or weather in French. So if you're preparing for TEF Canada exam, again I'm saying, remember consistency and strong basics makes all the difference. So this channel is here to support your French journey with structured lessons, and many more well-planned courses are coming right up here. So take a moment to revise what you've just learned today and come back to practice with me again. So if this video has helped you even a little bit, please don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon so that you'd never miss an update or a lesson from my side. So until the next time, keep learning, keep growing. À très bientôt.